Here's how to write an autoresponder series. An autoresponder series is one of the best ways to connect with your target audience and build a relationship with them. It can seem a daunting prospect, but here are the essentials for success. The ethical bribe, one of the best ways to get people onto your emailing list, is to offer them what is commonly referred to as an ethical bribe. Enticing items that encourage sign-ups include a free special report or ebook, or a free e-course. Your e-course will be the Autoresponder series. Why an e-course? A free special report is exciting for your site visitors, but the danger is that they sign up, download the free report, and then unsubscribe. However, an e-course, for example a 7-day e-course, will give you a better chance of building a relationship with your visitors. It also gives you 7 chances to sell your products and services. When planning your series, here are a few things to think about. How many days do you wish it to run? What will the series be about? Where will you get the content? As for the duration, 5 to 7 days should be plenty. After that, they will receive your email newsletter. Regarding the topic, keep your audience in mind. What would be of broad appeal to the people in your niche? Think of your products. What topics would lead naturally to the items you are trying to sell? Plan a series of lessons or informative content in relation to a hot topic in your niche. As for getting the content, this may seem difficult, but the truth is you can get it from almost anywhere. If you are a talented writer, by all means create it from scratch. Otherwise, you have several options. Use your old post, choose your top post about that topic and organize them into a series. Split up a special report. Instead of giving people one PDF to download, divide it into several lessons. Article directory content, esignarticles.com and similar sites were used in the past to help market businesses in the days when Google awarded sites that had many links back to them. Nowadays, these sites are not valued highly, but a lot of the content there is very good. You can copy and paste several articles about your topic that you have organized into a course. All you have to do is include a link to the original article and a credit for the author. Private label rights, also known as PLR. PLR content is pre-written. You buy a license to use it as needed. Buy articles, emails, or a good special report to turn into a series. You should always try and write a great subject line for every email you send out. It should entice the reader to open the email and make them eager to read more. Make sure to add your sales links within your content and then upload everything into the autoresponder. Check the URLs to make sure they lead to the products you want to sell. When done, you will have a great series you can market to your target audience.